When it comes to swimming pools, clean, clear water is what you want. Not a cloudy, murky mess that could be hiding the creature from the Black Lagoon.
Chlorine levels and pH are key to keeping a pool clear.
But there are a lot of things that can affect them.
A pump or filter that isn't working right. Storms or increased rainfall can dilute the water. The sun's ultraviolet rays can break down a pool's chlorine.
And cloudy pool water is pretty common, but it's also an easy fix. I will give you the list of things you'll need right after this video.
The first thing you want to do is check the pool filter.
It's there to collect dirt and debris.
Inspect the filter to make sure it's working properly. If the filter is just slightly dirty, you can backwash it until the water is clean.
If it's really dirty, then it will need to be cleaned with the filter cleaner.
The next step is to measure the chemical levels of the water. Total chlorine and pH are the two levels that most often cause cloudiness. Test the levels with the test kit. When your chlorine is low and your pH is high, that typically causes a cloudy pool. Ideally, you want chlorine to be between 2.0 and 3, and you want pH to be between 7.2 and 7.6. To decrease your pH levels, use muriatic acid. Read your manufacturer's instructions as always. You may need to mix and dilute the product first. Start with water in your bucket and pour the muriatic acid in slowly so you don't splash. Remember, these are harsh chemicals. To raise the chlorine level, mix dichlor in a 5-gallon bucket with water to dilute it. Refer to the package to calculate the amount needed for your pool size. Then, run the filter and pump to circulate the chemicals through the pool. Test the water afterward and keep adding if the chlorine is still low and pH is still high. After cleaning the filter and adjusting the chemical levels, your water may still be cloudy. The next step then is to clarify the pool. Pool water clarifiers work by causing fine debris particles to coagulate into larger particles, which can be removed through the pool filter system. Many work within 24 hours and are compatible with universal filters.
So like I said, clearing up your pool water isn't a massive undertaking. With a little bit of work, you'll be back in your sparkling pool in no time.
Here are the materials and tools you'll need to clear your cloudy pool.
Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.